everybody? Welcome back. This is George, Florida Railroad Dog from the Roman Nico Railroad. Hope everybody's doing okay. Hope everybody's having a great time railroading. While I like the Menard's engine shed, I just didn't like the way it looked on the layout, and I ain't spending $400 on a roundhouse for the layout. So I decided to build my own out of balsa, you know me, and I'm going to show you what I did and how it came out. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And mind you, this is all winging it, very little measurements. I just laid the balsa on the layout and went to town. Hope you enjoyed this video. Bye. Well, there was part one. Hope you like the video. Sorry I didn't shoot video. It was just pictures, but I have a tough time putting a camera and videoing while I'm doing this stuff. I just like to take pictures as I go along. It's all made out of balsa. It's all winging it. Very little measurements. Well, stay tuned for part two. Bye. Happy railroading.